Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. And today we are rocking the headband wigs. I got one on right now and I'm gonna do a review on this Alipearl headband wig. So let's see what they sent us. Ooh, they gave a cute little scarf. I like that. That's a little different than the typical headband. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this headband. So pretty. I love the rainbow colors. And we got this one, a little black and white action. Might have to try it out with my outfit. And I got a tan headband. So all you have to do to get ready for this look is to, of course, get you a wig cap. And it doesn't matter what color it is because nobody's gonna see it. And do your baby hair. So I already put a little swoops here. So all we have to do is pop on this bad boy and go. Peace out. So this time we got some bob action and I like that. Something a little different than the typical curls or length. This is gonna be too cute. I just have a feeling. So what you wanna do is push this headband back so you can see your natural hairline. And I don't think I wanna wear this. I'm gonna pull out the other necklace for this look. You wanna cover your braids, of course. So let's try a few of these, okay? So this headband is really cute. I just don't like how thick they are. It just doesn't look right on my head. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think, because maybe I'm tripping, but I think it's a little too big, but it's cute. So this one is matching my black shirt. I think we're gonna try this one, see how it looks. And don't be alarmed if my wig pushes back because I don't use the combs. They hurt out, see? Okay, this is more like it. So this wig is super cute. It's giving me mom vibes, and there's nothing wrong with that because I'm a new mom. It is really adorable. I love the little bump on the ends. Some people don't like that, so if you don't, you can just straighten it out a little bit more. I love the length. I'm gonna have the exact link in the description box. I can't remember what they sent me, but it looks more like the 8 inch. I think it's 8 inch, but it may be 10 inches. But of course, I'll have the exact information. Don't forget, check the description box. But it's super flowy. I love it. Oh, sticking to my lip gloss. No, I don't want to do that. Let me show you guys the back, okay? This wig is adorable. I would really wear this, like, going to work every day. This is a work wig, or this is like, you can pop out at night, just put you like a little fancy, like this rainbow headband on, get you a nice, cute, tight dress, girl, and you're ready to go. This is the wig to get, especially if you don't have your hairstylist and she's playing with the booking and overbooking or something crazy. If you don't have a wig, this is the wig to get you through the day. And you don't feel like laying on that lace and stuff. Because lace wigs are bomb, but it's a lot of work. And this is perfect for people that don't know how to use, well, don't know how to lay the lace front wig. So super cute and adorable. I love it. Doesn't have any shedding or tangling. This hair is really soft, which I love. And it has a little shine to it. Not too much shine. Adorable. Tell me what you guys think in the description box below. And don't forget to show your support. Give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And until the next video, peace.